581 species in genus Pandanus. The Pandanus puzzle, my fascination with screw pines. I'm Ferb Vu, and I've always been drawn to the unusual. Give me a plant with character, something that sparks curiosity, and I'm hooked. That's exactly what happened with the Pandanus genus. These aren't your typical garden variety plants. With their spiky leaves, aerial roots, and intriguing fruit, they look like they've sprung from the pages of a science fiction novel. The first time I saw a Pandanus, I was trekking through a coastal forest in Vietnam. Its prop roots, thick and sturdy, anchored it to the sandy soil like a giant spider. The leaves, long and sword-like, radiated from the trunk in a spiral, each edged with sharp spines. It was a plant that demanded attention. I had to learn more. Unraveling the Pandanus mystery. Often called screw pines, Pandanus aren't actually pines at all. They belong to the Pandanaceae family, a group of monocots that thrive in the Old World tropics. Imagine them as the eccentric cousins of palms and lilies. They've got that tropical vibe, but with a unique twist. What truly sets Pandanus apart are those aerial prop roots. These roots grow out from the trunk and branch downwards, providing extra support in unstable environments like sandy beaches and rocky cliffs. It's an ingenious adaptation that allows them to colonize areas where other plants struggle. And then there's the fruit. In some species, it resembles a pineapple, while in others it looks more like a spiky green football. These fruits are a vital food source for various animals, from bats and birds to crabs and lizards. Some Pandanus species even have edible fruit for humans, with a flavor that hints of coconut and pineapple. A world of Pandanus. The diversity within the Pandanus genus is staggering. There are over 750 recognized species, each with its own unique characteristics. They range from small shrubs to towering trees, with leaves that can be green, red, or even variegated. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face, Pandanus plays a crucial role in its ecosystem. It provides habitat and food for a wide range of animals, from insects to mammals. The dense foliage offers shelter, while the fruit and seeds are a valuable source of nutrition. For humans, Pandanus has a long history of use. The leaves are woven into mats, baskets, hats, and even sails. The fruit is eaten in some cultures, and the wood is used for construction. In traditional medicine, various parts of the plant are used to treat a range of ailments. The future of Pandanus. Despite its importance, Pandanus faces threats from habitat loss and overexploitation. As human populations grow and development encroaches on natural areas, these unique plants are losing their homes. Sustainable harvesting practices and conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these fascinating plants. My journey with Pandanus has just begun. There's still so much to learn about these remarkable plants. I'm eager to explore more species, delve deeper into their biology, and understand their cultural significance. The Pandanus puzzle is complex and captivating, and I'm excited to continue unraveling its mysteries.